Welcome to DIY RV Home Camper's Life. My name's Craig. Today I want to do a quick look at this ladder that I picked up for our trailer. Now since we're going full-time, space is a commodity. So this ladder right here is a collapsible. So we can extend it, and this is a 12.5-foot ladder. So Velcro keeps it in place. All you have to do is just lift up and it locks in place. So just keep going like that, and we will be able to raise it all the way up. And set it up against the trailer. Now you see, we can just rest it there all the way down. And when we are done using it, all you need to do is just pull it back, and there's two tabs. And we just press together, and it closes. Bring it here, I'll show you which tabs I'm talking about. Right here. So you just have to press those. So yeah, you want to be careful that you don't have your hand in there for some reason. But it's rated for 300 pounds. It doesn't weigh too much, and like I say, when it's all the way closed, you can go ahead and use that Velcro to keep it in place. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up because I got some more work to do on the trailer. You don't have to take it all the way up when you're using it. If you only need 6 foot of it, you can just do 6 foot. I'm taking this all the way up, that way I have a little bit extra room. And let's bring it out, let's get a bit of angle for safety. There it is. There we go. Felt pretty good. I'll drop a link where you can get this. As time goes on, I will definitely give you a review of it after I've used it for a while. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like button, subscribe, share. Till the next one, happy camping.